Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see Starlink unboxing. No, in this video we will see how to order Starlink kit absolutely free no matter where you live. Currently I am living in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I order specially Starlink internet, and this kit I order absolutely free. I am not paying single penny for this kit. Previously you need to pay here in Copenhagen, Denmark 3,500 just a deposit for this Starlink kit, but in this video I will show you how to order Starlink kit absolutely free no matter where you live. How to do it? Let's start. So I just simply open here Google and type here Starlink. So the first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. If you click here, so such kind of framework is coming here. If you living in Germany, France, India or any other continent, so automatically the Starlink coming accordingly your geographical location. Here two types of internet is available, residential or roam. Residential is a fixed connection where I am purchasing. This one is a fixed connection, and other one is a roam. You can travel using this Starlink kit, fix in your car and travel here and there, and you can access this one. I purchased the residential. Click, and you need to provide here the specific address, your address. So I just simply type here my pin code. The multiple Denmark location is showing here. Which location? I just simply put it here, entire address of my like Research Rocks. So look at this here. My address is showing here, Research Rocks, Copenhagen, Denmark. And if I say get start, so look at this here, Starlink residential. This is the address. 30 days trial period, absolutely free. Arrive within 4 to 5 to 7 days only. Residential price as a monthly price is a 395 Danish krona, unlimited internet services. And residential lit, I personally use residential lit, 260 Danish krona, unlimited internet. So suggested address, order now, and let's see how much money I am spending to order this one. Look at this here. I need to pay just only 177 Danish krona for this one. Just only courier charges they are paying. Apart from that, the entire kit is a free. Hardware cost is absolutely free. Afterward you just provide the internet prices, and this kit and hardware absolutely free. Using this process you should very easily order the internet services. One of the important point, if you use my referral code, this one, so you can receive 1 month internet absolutely free. I already added this link in video description. You just simply click and order. Afterwards you receive 1 month internet free using my referral code. If you have any question related on ordering Starlink, so you should ask me on comment section. Next video I will do the unboxing of Starlink kit, and let's see which types of product I am receiving there. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.